Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I am coming to you with my fourth video for the decorating my apartment dining room. This is again part 4. In this video you'll be seeing me clean off my bookcase slash sideboard, I guess, and I'll be taking things and putting most of the books in the living room on that bookcase until we figure out what we're going to do with the office. I also take all of the alcohol, my coasters, my placemats, and my chargers. I'm going to take everything off of it. And then you'll see an empty bookcase, and I'll have my rug down. So a lot of people were wondering when that was going to happen. It finally happens, not without issues, can I say. I did the rug and the table, the bookcase, everything by myself. So the table's very heavy. I sprained my wrist at work. So it was quite a chore, but I did get it done. And at the end, I'll show you the final look as of right now with the cleaned off bookcase and the table on top of the rug. So make sure to like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell twice and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, you guys. Bye. Okay guys, this is the cleaned bookcase, completely empty. I put one of my bar stools back over there. This is just random stuff that has to come out, my furniture movers, because I had to move the dining room table all by myself. There's the dining table, my trusty vacuum, and all of the stuff that was on the bookcase, minus the books. Still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all of this stuff. I have some Christmas artwork over there. I recently bought it, so I'm not that crazy and that obsessed with Christmas, but yep. So this is our current dining table on our rug, and you can see why I'm looking to do something different. We've had this dining table probably for about, I don't know, 10 years or so. We've been married for 14, so we've probably had it for about 10 years. We've moved to and from Atlanta with this table. The chairs we got a little bit later on. We had the bench. There's a bench under there. The bench actually matches with it. The chairs we just got from the Goodwill, and we just kind of left them the way they were, and then put chair pads in there that don't actually fit because they came from IKEA. But I think I'll probably do my new chairs next before we get rid of the table. We don't quite know what we're going to do with the table, if we're going to try to sell it or if we're going to give it away to my father-in-law. We don't really know because we don't know what his plans are either. It's a very heavy, sturdy table. We actually got it from Target, but I just don't want that solid wood look anymore. It's too much for me. It's overpowering, and I don't want it anymore. The bookcase. Now, I know that you guys saw me shopping. Of course, there's my lovely branch that everyone loves. You guys saw me shopping for some doors and drawers to put on here from IKEA. I have purchased some doors. I purchased 4. So we're going to see how that comes out. It's probably going to be the last 2 over here and the 2 on the end there. I think that's how I'm going to do it. It may be all 4 at the bottom. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. So I'm pretty tired. I'm going to move on, do some studying, have some other things that I need to do. So I'm going to do that instead of working on this anymore today. And then I'll, get back to it tonight. So, all right, you guys.